Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the best home security systems in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these home security systems. You can check out the description below. So let's get started. SimpliSafe 5-piece wireless home security system. Of the 126 million homes in America, only 20% have home security. At SimpliSafe, we're changing that. Our goal is simple: to make homes safe for everyone, and not with false security, but with real protection. Our frustration-free DIA home surveillance system bundles have precise sensors to know the difference between a family pet and an unwanted intruder, and are designed with long-range sensors for entire home protection. SimpliSafe is for homes of all sizes and is built with unprecedented safeguards to keep your home protected against power outages, down Wi-Fi, cut landlines, and physical attacks from hammers, bats, and more. This easy-to-use wireless system is full of surveillance products small enough to disappear into your home and provide blanket protection. Breathe easy with proper protection at a safe and reasonable price. The 5-piece wireless security bundle provides 24/7 security with a smash-safe keypad that is soft to touch, easy to use during the day and night, and requires no plug, meaning you can place it anywhere and will alert the police in case of attack. The base station is like your personal security guard. It sends alarm signals to the monitoring center with a built-in cellular connection, 24-hour battery backup, and a 95 decibel siren. The entry sensor protects your doors and windows and is designed to disappear and blend into the background. The motion sensor is designed for human detection, no pet detection. The key fob lets you arm and disarm your system with the press of a button, a fantastic addition for anyone who might forget their PIN code. Enjoy effective, contract-free 24/7 professional monitoring and make sure your home is the safest place on earth. eufyCam 2C Pro 2 Cam Kit Wireless Home Security System. eufy Security eufyCam 2C Pro protects you, your family, and your privacy. Every eufy security product is engineered to ensure your security data is kept private. Have peace of mind that you will have a secure record of everything that happens around your home. 100% wire-free without cords or wires of any kind. eufyCam 2C Pro installs indoors and out with ease to surveil your home for 180 days on a single charge. Zero hidden costs, designed to protect your home as well as your wallet. eufyCam 2C is a one-time purchase that combines security with convenience. You will never be forced into paying to access your security footage. Ring Alarm 5-piece Kit, 2nd Gen Home Security System. A great fit for condos and apartments, this kit includes one base station, one keypad, one contact sensor, one motion detector, and one range extender. Put whole home security at your fingertips with Ring Alarm, a do-it-yourself alarm system. Includes a more intuitive keypad with emergency buttons and smaller contact sensors to seamlessly blend into your home. Receive mobile notifications when your system is triggered, change your alarmed modes, and monitor all your Ring devices all through the Ring app. Choose the Ring Alarm kit that fits your needs and add additional components and accessories at any time. Easily set up your Ring Alarm by plugging in your base station, connecting to Wi-Fi via the Ring app, and placing your sensors in their ideal locations. Better with Alexa, arm and disarm Ring Alarm with your voice, and get mobile alerts about the sound of broken glass or smoke alarms with Alexa Guard. Call trained agents from your Echo who can request the dispatch of emergency responders with Alexa Guard Plus, included with an eligible Ring Protect plan. Arlo Pro 3 Spotlight Camera 3-camera security system. Zoom in to see sharp details, see and record video in 2K with HDR for a clearer, undistorted picture, day or night. See colorful at night, see features like faces or license plates in full color, even at night. with color night vision. Smarter alerts, quicker action, receive notifications for people, vehicles, and packages so you can take quick actions such as sound the siren, call a friend or dial emergency services with the included Arlo Smart Trial. Respond quickly, hear and speak to visitors at your door with clear two-way audio. See a bigger picture with a wide 160 degrees diagonal viewing angle lens that has an auto image correction, reducing the fisheye effect. Coverage from every corner, fast, wire-free setup, no wiring required, delivers increased installation flexibility to get the perfect camera view. Local storage option, secure your videos directly on the included Arlo Smart Hub and view them anytime anywhere. USB storage sold separately. Google Nest Cam Outdoor 2-Pack, weatherproof outdoor camera for home security. 24/7 live video, 130-degree view shows your home in 1080p HD day and night. Weatherproof, camera cable and adapter are all weatherproof. Clear as day even at night, night vision evenly illuminates the whole scene. See who's at the door and talk back to get their attention. Alerts on your phone, get activity alerts, so you know if anything happens while you're away. Install it yourself. Install yourself and point it anywhere with a unique magnetic mount. No hub required. This Google product features the Google seal for online marketplace when purchased from a seller other than Amazon.com. Cove 5-piece home security alarm system. One way that we saved money with Cove was by installing the system ourselves. Cove pre-programmed the system even before it shipped to us. Once it arrived, we stuck our sensors on our walls via their 3M-backed adhesives. We called Cove's customer support to ensure each sensor worked correctly, which made our installation take a little longer. However, you can set a Cove system up in under half an hour if you don't need that extra confirmation. The average Cove customer installs their system in 27 minutes. This is definitely a system that's easy to install and, best of all, free to install. Integrations with Google Assistant and Alexa. No long-term contracts. Can choose to pay nothing upfront. Battery backup.